Students, in our discussion about 180 marks, achievement of 180 marks in JEE mains examination. Till now in physics we have completed electricity, sound and waves, modern physics, mechanics along with properties of matter. Now the last entity in physics is heat and thermodynamics part. The different lessons in heat and thermodynamics parts, if we look at thermal expansions, all the three expansions, solids, liquids and gases, followed by calorimetry, thermodynamics, kinetic theory of gases, and then the last chapter is transfer of heat. Out of all these lessons, the most important area is thermodynamics. It is the most important area where from you got 17 questions in 2019 out of the 16 slots, and 11 questions were asked in 2020 out of the 6 slots. So almost 2 questions were asked from thermodynamics. So if you are perfect with thermodynamics, we can estimate almost 2 questions may come from thermodynamics area, but somewhat difficult to the students. But concept wise, if you are perfect with, it will be beneficial for you. And the next chapter is thermal expansions and calorimetry both put together. If you consider 2 questions asked from thermal expansions in 2019 out of 16 slots, and 8 questions were asked from calorimetry in 2019. So these two areas, if you know, consider out of 16 slots, 8 plus 2 means 10 questions only were asked from these two lessons. And then in 2020, if you look at 2 questions were asked from thermal expansions and 2 questions were asked from calorimetry. That means 4 questions were asked. And KTG, if you look at the kinetic theory of gases, 13 questions asked in 2019 and 2 questions asked in 2020. So heat transfer, the last lesson, if you consider, 5 questions asked in 2019 and no question was asked in 2020. So order of priority, if you look at in heat, the first one, no doubt, thermodynamics is the lesson where one should be perfect with. We can expect around 2 questions, 1 for sure and 2 the possibility is there. And the next 2 lessons, if you ask me, these 2 lessons are thermal expansions and calorimetry, because they are student friendly, very easy to answer. Questions were not asked so tough from these lessons. So my suggestion is go with thermodynamics first, thermal expansions and calorimetry. If you are perfect with these lessons, you can do minimum 2 questions and maximum 3 questions from heat and thermodynamics part. Kinetic theory of gases, it is the choice of the student to study it. So accordingly plan your schedule, because the entire discussion on physics is over till now. Now if you look at my previous videos, what are all the list of the chapters that I discussed, please go through. You plan your schedule in 30 days. What are the lessons you need to study, you can understand if you look at my videos. Accordingly, you plan your schedule in 30 days and do well.